What do we got
Nice
then?
pulls, nice pulls.
We got this one. Oops. This one's okay. But this one's cool. They have one in each box.
So it's rare.
Mm-hmm. Oh, all the good cards are actually at the beginning. Ooh.
Two best ones.
It's like ding.
Nice.
They're actually both really cool. Which one is the SEC? Oh wait, are they both? No. Oh,
No,
this one is the
this-
SEC.
Yeah.
Probably the other one's pale.
Ding.
That's cool too though. This
Yeah.
one has like all kinds of colors on it. I like that.
You like this one?
Yeah, even this one. Nice.
Nice. Nice
Cool,
pulls.
cool.
Hopefully we have just as much luck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This set is actually has the most expensive cards in it right now.
Mm. Okay.
There's one card
I
here,
know.
$500 if we pull it.
Which one's that?
Magna X.
You will find out.
Oh, that's my.
It would
that
actually go
one
in your
random
deck.
card, right?
Yeah.
I have that one Magna X guy.
Yeah. You have Magna, and then the Magna X goes
Oh.
on top of it. Yeah.
Ding, ding.
That's kind of cool.
Yo, this one's cool too.
Yeah.
It's just how they draw their art is
Oh,
cool.
there you go.
And another girl.
More ladies.
There you go. Oh,
Oh, they stick together.
little girl. Creeper. Oh, definitely a creeper.
Oh, okay. This is the professor who made all the robots.
Oh shit. And then
And like,
fancy option card.
yeah, that's like the two strong people.
I see.
The strongest in the world.
Ben's patiently waiting for digital.
Yeah.
You're like, okay, when do we get to digital? This face.
Ding. It's so thick, all the cards.
Yeah, it's nice quality.
This one is thicker than the other ones. Ooh.
Oh, there you go.
This
As long
is
as it has
cool too.
boobies, it's
Yeah,
gonna be
that's
worth
good.
$100.
That's true. That's very true.
Yeah, so this one might be worth something.
You just need to take it out. Like how most of the girls are shiny too.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh,
There's a girl that doesn't have boobies.
She actually looks like she's growing up
Oh wait, yeah.
compared to the normal picture.
Okay, these guys look like they run the noodle shop or something. I don't know what that is.
During the sunshine.
Alien guy.
Hey, my chopper.
Little bear dude.
The
Snake.
snakes. Oh, from Mango.
Whatever that
Nice.
is. That's
I
cool
know.
too.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, boobies too.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 more packs for boobies.
And then
Oh, for Mango. Ding ding. This is so weird. Oh.
That's a
Oh.
cool, like all black.
The
card
Dawn card is cool.
with a black frame.
Yeah.
Is that a leader card? Is that why the frame is black? Like what's
it's like
in this game? What's
It's
the
like the
difference between-
memory
Oh, I see.
in the Digimon.
Got it. Got it.
So that's how they
Oh, okay.
use the memory.
That's cool. That's cool.
Yeah. Oh, this one's actually really cool
Yeah,
because they have all the, like a lot of the
Characters.
characters.
Yeah. Yeah. Sleeve that one up. That one's nice. Ooh.
Oh, is it another one? That's cool.
Clown and robot.
Seymour.
it's an old guy.
Yeah, that's
No, yeah, that's Luffy.
What?
Yeah, it's a Luffy and
Wait,
this
there's
guy.
not a leader card.
There are so many boobies.
He's the main character.
That's true. It's the main character. What do you expect?
Different versions. I think these ones are really because they're red.
Ding. A repeat. Another repeat. That's new.
Pinocchio. One Piece Pinocchio.
That's so funny.
He has one of the most broken fruits, double fruit.
I don't even remember what he does.
He slows people down.
Oh.
Like if he was actually good, people could never fight him. Because he slows them down.
She's
I
back.
can tell whether that's like.
She's back just for you guys. Ding ding. Ooh.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Hey, that's pretty good too. See, even the hair and all the colors.
Yeah.
It's
Looks
just so
It does look good. It does look good.
the depth of it. Okay, last
Alright,
pack.
last pack magic. Let's see it.
Ding ding ding. Oh,
Injured little boy. Oh, we saw that one before.
that's new too.
Yep. And
Oh. Ooh, I don't even know who that is.
Oh.
But I like the color.